So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Sky, ticker symbol SKY on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on buy crypto. In the top, type in ticker symbol SKY or Sky. On this page right here, type in the amount that you're looking to buy. In this case, I'll do $20 as an example. If you want to proceed to the next page, press on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount that you're paying, the price, the fee, and the total, as well as the payment method. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button to proceed that way with the transaction if you wish to do so. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Sky, ticker symbol SKY on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.